Welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Mashudu Masuta. The JSE lost 0.5% to close on 28,355 points. We spoke to Wayne McCurry from R&B Asset Management looking at Anglo-American results.
There were three things in the Anglo results. One was a dividend, obviously. I mean, it's still small, but, you know, dividend's a dividend. The South American story was not good. Now, they're given numbers, but those are more of a costing issue numbers. The real problem is they start selling at a later stage what they produce out of the mine. That's by far more important. But having said that, and I hate using those words, but having said that, understand it's just the present value story. The stuff's still there. It's not as though they haven't found it. They're just going to take a bit longer to get the pipeline in, to get it out of the ground.
The all-share index ended the day down by 0.25% to close on 25,844 points. We spoke to Bankole Odusanya of United Bank for Africa, looking at Amcon Bull's effect on the market.
Yes, the news has been in town for over a week now. Really, I think it's month-end and people have to take profit. Short-term investors will just key in for marginal profits, get in and then get out probably at the right time. It's not about the news just waning in. It's something that will go on for a while, just, as you know, because we expect the actual set-off of the institution probably in September, and then it takes off all through the end of the year. So activities will still come in good and positive on that information.
The NSE 20 ended the day up by 1% to close on 4,438 points. We spoke to Henry Chege from ABC Capital looking at the week's trade.
Now, the market, as you've clearly pointed out, was holding off particularly for the early part of this week. But towards the end, yesterday and today, we've seen increased activity, and a lot of the counters have witnessed some marginal growth. So going forward, I think it gives us the snapshot of what is to come. If the constitution goes through, that the constitution will give the impetus required to drive this market forward.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.